Alrighty guys, in today's video on FabriCAM, we're going to be looking at some cam settings for pre-piercing. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program here. So like I mentioned, today's video we're going to be looking at some cam settings for pre-piercing. But in order to do that, I just want to set up a quick few shapes. So I've got my basic sheet in. Now I'm going to go flat parts and just select a shape quick to add it. So make this one 400. So the width 200 is going to be the distance between the holes. In diameter of them, of the holes, I'm going to make 50 degrees, 180. And then I'm going to make 2 of them. Say okay. There we go. We've got a basic shape. I'm just going to add 2 of these. And then say add. Let's quickly nest these. Say okay. Just going to move them to the center so we can have a bit more of a symmetrical view. Now what you can do is if you go to cam and we go in here, we can see currently it is taking a lead in and a lead out right on this line. Now what you can do is add pre-piercing. So if you want a little bit more of a cleaner finish, not always, but it can be the case. So in order to do that, I'm going to go here to configuration, go to the 4th tab, which is cam, and then I want to navigate down here on the right until we find the option for pre-piercing. I'm going to activate that and then say apply. Now just keep in mind, if we had to go to cam now, it is still going to look the same. So we actually have to decide what we want to pre-pierce. So then with our cam, or inside our cam, it's important, I'm going to select our shape. Let's do that again. And then now you'll see we have this option over here called pre-piercing. So it's basically got a little drill bit piercing into a object. Now I'm going to select that, and then it's going to give us an option, what do we want to pierce. Now you can do the external contour as well, but for this case I'm just going to select the 2 internal ones. So you want to select that little selection box, you'll see it goes black there on the right, and then select the next one as well, and then there we go, we've got both. But now because we have 2 shapes, let's apply this to all of them, because otherwise currently only apply it to that shape. Or with this setting on, I've already set it on, but by default we'll only do it to the first shape. So then what you want to do is go to the top setting here where it says apply for all parts of the same shape. Make sure that is active, and then we say okay. And now if we go back to our cam and then we zoom in here, we can see we've got this red little circle now over our entry. So that will pretty much then pre-pierce over here first and then move it into the actual cut for us. So it's a very convenient little feature to have and know to use, and that is pre-piercing. Now, yeah, it can be used in many different ways, but this is the most default and base way. So if you understand this, then the others should be way more simple. But yeah, otherwise, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.